will show you how to insert a comment in a particular Excel spreadsheet. Many times we are making entry in Excel spreadsheet and we want to have a specific comment to that particular cell, or any explanation, any email communication, or any instruction that we want to give for the particular cell. We generally use the comment. So in the review tab, just go in review tab, select any cell where you want to put the comment. Now so let's suppose I have selected this cell G4. I will go to review tab. There is one option, new comment. I have selected that option. You will see a red triangle over here at the corner of the cell, and you will see a text box like feature over here, and it is like the cursor is blinking. That means you have to write a comment over there. Let's suppose I will write here addition, and I have written this addition. I can adjust the size of this comment and enter. Enter, or just click anywhere else in the spreadsheet. You will see a red sign over here and a comment, but if you click anywhere else, this comment is not visible. But as soon as you move your mouse or move your cursor to a particular cell, the particular comment will be shown here. Over here my name is written by default because this is my login, so it is showing Uday.Hirve, and the comment explanation where I have written addition. So this is like very important when you prepare bulk data and you want to explain something in that comment, or you want to give instruction to the data entry operator, then you have to put a particular comment. So this is very useful. Like you can add your email communication also to this comment. So whenever you go to this cell, the particular email communication, you can just copy paste from your Outlook, so that the particular email communication will be seen in this comment, and there is no need to put a reminder for the particular task. Now we have put this comment. If let's suppose I want to edit this comment, so I will just go to this cell. It is coming in review tab. Automatically it is showing edit comment, so I will just go and edit comment. So now the cursor is moving over here. With the help of backspace, I can edit my comment. I will put new comment, and I will click any other cell. So you will see my comment is edited now. Now suppose I have put this comment, but I don't want to put this comment, I want to delete it. I will just go to this cell. In the review tab you will find a delete option, delete comment option. You have to click on delete, and the particular comment will be deleted. So this is like putting comment. Let's suppose I put comment for all this cell. Now I'm going to particular cell, right click, and insert comment. So in the review tab also you will find this insert comment option, and by right clicking your mouse, you will see this insert comment option. So you will see a red marks to all these cells. So you will be able to know that you have put some comment in these cells. So if you come to first comment in the review tab, if you click on next, it is going to next comment. So in this way you can review your all comments by clicking next and previous and the review tab, and you can just review your comments whatever you have written in the Excel spreadsheet. Let's suppose if you want to show all these comment, then select those cells. Over here you will find show and hide comment tab in the review. Just click on show. So now you will see all the comment. If I click anywhere else, my comments are visible. So in this way, whatever comments you have written, it will be visible to you. If at all you don't go to that cell, it is by default visible to you. But now if you want to hide it again, just go to that particular cell again, click on show and hide comment. Your comments will be hidden. So your comments are there, but it is in the hidden format. If you go in another cell, you will not be able to see the comments. So this is like adding comment, editing comment, deleting, reviewing, and show hide. You will find all these, whatever you see in review tab, you will find all these options in over here in right click format also. If you right click with the help of mouse, you will see edit comment, delete comment, show and hide comments, all this.